Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to use sum if function effectively. Okay, in Microsoft Excel. Okay, here is the data of the employee designation, hiring date, and their salaries. I want to search by designation. Whenever I type any designation over here, and here we will calculate the total salary of that specific designation. Okay, for example, senior sale officer hire on this date 2005, and its salary is 53,000. And then again you can see the data over here. Senior sales officer again, we have hired in 2008, and we have given that specific person this salary 55,000. Now I want to calculate their total. Can you see here, these are the duplicate entries. If you are having our data over here of, for example, 50s 50, 100 or 1000 employees that you have hired so far in the last decades or 2 decades, okay, then how you can calculate the total sale? It's very easy process. So look here, whenever I type over here, for example, I want to calculate the total find the salary, total salary of against this designation. So I just type over here, for example, this case I'm going to write here senior sales officer. Now when I press enter, you will see the total over here. Okay, then for example, now I want to calculate the total sales of sales officer. Press enter, and its total sale will appear over here. Can you see here, I have highlighted over here the duplicate entries. Now I want to calculate the manager sales here. Just type enter and it will appear over just like that. Okay, how to apply this? So it's very easy process. Let's do it. Okay, first you need to select this cell and then do what? Clear it. Now put is equal to sign and then write sum if function. It will appear automatically over here. Done. Okay, now next is written over here range. So range is what I want to select this one. Click on B so that you can select the whole data of this entire worksheet. Done. And after that put a comma over here is a separator. Now set the criteria. Criteria is what? On the base of designation I want to calculate this. For example, when you select this one, this cell is selected, H5 cell is selected. Now after put comma, again put a comma here, comma is separated. Now I calculate the sum range. So I want to select this whole salary. I've calculated total over here of these salaries. Just click here and then press what? Enter button, and you will see that it will appear over here. Now you can just type over here. For example, now I want to select this one, MGR admin. Okay, then press enter and its sale will appear over here. And then for example, I want to check that assistant manager sales. Press enter and it will appear just like that. Isn't it? If you are a lot of data in your worksheet, that you can apply this function effectively on your data. Okay, and you can extract the specific data from your worksheet. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. Allah Hafiz. Take care of yourself.